you hungry or you eat it? Yo, what's that thing called again? The thing my mom made. You remember that? Huh? You made it? Yeah. The Molly knot. It was mad greasy. It made my throat. Yo, it made my thing go. Special smoothie.
Just fucked the whole other fake and then say that Picasso.
I mean, the food.
LeBron! I swear to God.
You made it?
He drinks it, like his chef makes it. I saw it on YouTube. I'll give you only a little sip. You gotta take it out. Take it out. Little sip. Take a one. Don't try to gobble everything down. I'll only give you a little sip. You might take anything.
You're doing that too?
Yeah, because you might drink that. What you got drinking, don't take drinking. Close your eyes. Open your mouth.
What is that? Who made it?
It's a prank. The camera's like this.
Hell no.
Yo, it stinks. How it feel to get pranked?
Disgusting.
Way.
It was nasty? Was it nasty?
Of course.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
This is my first prank. Why is the camera not thing? This is my first prank. Be warned, okay? Now that you know I'm a prankster, you gotta be careful. You gonna be careful?
Definitely.
It tastes good?
No.
How your mouth feel right now?
Disgusting.
Was that a good prank? Was it successful?
You caught me, Ray?
How do you feel about yourself?
What would it be?
Disgusting.
Give me a 5 if it was a good prank. Give me a 5. Give me a 5. Alright, y'all. I got this piece of crap.
Yeah, you better get more. You go get another person.
Everybody be warned now. Nate is a prankster. So I got him. He's upset. His mouth smell like ass. That's what he gets, but... Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Deuces.